Some professionals, like designers and photographers, will want a more powerful laptop that can run intensive video editing software, while those who work in a collaborative environment might want a two-in-one laptop they can flip around to show their coworkers. You may want to opt for a blazing fast processor that will help you do work seamlessly, while you won't believe the boot times if you choose an option with a solid-state drive. A great business laptop should let you turn any conference room, airplane seat or other space into your own personal office. These business laptops are some of the best on the market and will be perfect for whatever you need. All product links available in the description. Number 1. Dell Latitude 7480 i7-7600U. For decades, Dell has earned its reputation for producing high-quality laptops for business and personal use alike. Mobility, security, ease of use and dependability are all touchstones of the professional side of the Dell brand. The Dell Latitude 7480 continues the tradition with excellent build quality, a convenient Bluetooth backlit keyboard and comfortable ergonomic design. With a 7th generation Intel Core processor that provides up to 3.9 GHz and Intel Wireless 802.11 Wi-Fi for faster internet surfing, this computer provides portable power and speed that will take you from meeting to meeting without missing a beat. The Dell Latitude has a touchscreen that makes working with electronic media like photos, videos, and presentations intuitive and easy. You can be sure your files will stay secure with built-in fingerprint activation so that only authorized users can access the machine. Plus, it comes with Windows 10 Professional, a classic operating system choice for a modern businessperson. Number 2. HP Elite X2 1012G12IN1. For connectivity, productivity and durability in one stylish package, the HP Elite X2 1012 is one of the top 2-in-1 laptops out there. Ideal for those concerned about security, this laptop is loaded with features intended to help keep your files, photos and personal information out of the wrong hands. Stay secure with the pre-loaded HP Client Security, Intel V Pro and optional features like a Trusted Platform Module (TPM) and Self-Encrypting Drive (SED). You can also opt for Windows 10 Pro authentication and an optional, integrated fingerprint reader for an extra line of safety. Though the basic model comes with a handy detachable travel keyboard, you can also upgrade to an advanced backlit keyboard that comes with an integrated NFC and smart card reader. The 12-inch screen is a little on the small side compared to others' business laptops, but its ultra-slim footprint, touchscreen capability, and LED backlighting are perfect for frequent travelers. Plus, it's made from extra-touch Corning Gorilla Glass 4. The 2MP front camera and 5MP rear camera are also very handy for video conferencing or making recordings. Number 3. Acer Aspire E15. For around $600, the Acer Aspire E15 is an excellent business laptop that won't break the bank. Featuring the 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, the Aspire E gives you computing power of up to 3.4 GHz and an ultra-long battery life of up to 15 hours. In a fast-paced business world, you need an internet connection that can keep up, and this laptop delivers. With the latest 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and new MIMO technology, this laptop provides a smooth internet experience at connection speeds that are up to 3 times faster than previous generations. The 256GB SSD provides ample storage space while ensuring quick boot-up times and better performance. A 15.6-inch widescreen display is large enough to make presentations but still small enough to be perfectly portable. Plus, the backlit keyboard is incredibly helpful for taking notes in a dimly lit conference room or traveling on a red-eye flight. Number 4. Asus Chromebook Flip C302 CADHM. The Asus Chromebook Flip C302 CADHM is a great affordable choice for small business owners. Many modern businesses rely on Google Apps including Google Calendar, Google Spreadsheet, Hangouts, and Google Docs to work collaboratively and share information effectively. This Asus Chromebook comes pre-loaded with all of those apps and more to help you hit the ground running when it comes to accessing and editing your work. It comes with a fast Intel Core processor, Full HD 1080p display ideal for presentations, a handy backlit keyboard and a touchscreen for easier accessibility. Though it is a little short on storage space 32 or 64 GB compared to other models, you can always access additional storage space on the cloud through the Chrome OS. The 12.5-inch screen makes this Chromebook easy to fit in a bag or backpack, and your eyes will appreciate the LED backlit anti-glare technology. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Book 2. Can a 2-in-1 really replace your tablet and your laptop? It can if it has all of the features of the Microsoft Surface Book 2. This laptop has been called the most powerful 2-in-1 in the world, and it shows in the specs you can customize to make it just right for you. Choose from an Intel Core i5-7300U to Intel Core i7-8650U processor and up to 16 GB of RAM for faster start-ups and seamless processing. The basic model comes with 256 GB of storage, but you can upgrade to a massive 1 TB SSD hard drive for voluminous storage space and increased efficiency. Though it's lightweight and portable, ideal for business travel or on-the-go meeting days, the Surface Book 2 is powerful enough to handle not only everyday tasks but even video conferencing and video editing, a big plus when creating presentations and pitching clients who expect high-quality video work. Choose from a 13.5-inch or a 15-inch screen depending on your preferences. All product links available in the description. Thanks for watching.